Are you a car aficionado who can't stand the thought of your beloved vehicle not performing at its peak? Well, you don't have to be a grease monkey to ensure your car is running like a finely tuned machine. All you need is the right tool for the job. Enter the OBD2 Scanner, the superhero of diagnostics for car lovers like you. With real-time feedback on your vehicle's performance and areas that need a little TLC, this little device will have you feeling like a pro mechanic in no time. Sit back, relax, and let us guide you through the best OBD2 scanners on the market so you can make an informed choice and keep your ride running like a boss. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. MOTOPOWER MP69033, our pick for best budget OBD2 scanner. When it comes to scanners, we've uncovered a gem that's as easy to use as pie, the MOTOPOWER MP69033. Our gear team testers were blown away by its user-friendly interface and lightning-fast code display. But wait, there's more. This baby also comes equipped with a nifty graphing feature that'll have you geeking out over engine RPM, coolant temperature, load value, and even your car speed. Talk about getting bang for your buck. But what really sets the MP69033 apart from the pack is its snazzy up and down buttons. No more aimless scrolling for hours on end, just a smooth, seamless experience that'll make you feel like a true tech whiz. And don't worry about pesky pixelation ruining your day. This screen delivers the goods, all while looking sharp as ever. And let's not forget about speed, because this bad boy leaves hardwired scanners in the dust. In just over 17 seconds, the MP69033 reads codes like it's nobody's business, leaving you more time to actually fix those pesky car issues instead of twiddling your thumbs. So, if you're in the market for a scanner that's as sleek as it is speedy, look no further than the MOTOPOWER. Trust us, your car and your sanity will thank you. Number 4. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro, our pick for best Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. Forget about those clunky, complicated scanners of the past. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro is here to make all your automotive diagnostic dreams come true. Trust us, this little device is the holy grail of Bluetooth scanners. Setting up the BlueDriver may take a tad longer than you'd like, but once you're in, it's like striking gold. The app is so user-friendly, it practically holds your hand through the diagnostic process. You won't have any trouble finding codes, tests, or any other data you need with its intuitive tile-style interface. It even goes above and beyond with features specific to your car model. TSBs, that's technical service bulletins for the uninitiated, and a battery reset process. Yeah, it's basically your trusty car companion on steroids. But here's the real kicker: consistent updates. None of that outdated data nonsense. The BlueDriver stays tuned in with regular updates, ensuring that you'll always have the latest and greatest information at your fingertips. Can your old school scanner say the same? So say goodbye to guesswork and hello to the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. It's about to become your new best friend in the garage. Don't just take our word for it though. Join the legions of satisfied customers who are singing its praises. Your car will thank you for it. Still searching for the perfect OBD2 scanner? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. INNOVA 5610, our pick for best OBD2 scanner for diagnostic use. Prepare to be amazed by the magnificent capabilities of the INNOVA 5610. This OBD2 scanner may come with a hefty price tag and the weight of a small elephant. But trust us, it's worth every penny. While other scanners may leave you feeling underwhelmed with a limited diagnostic range, the INNOVA 5610 swoops in like a superhero, offering testing functions, bidirectional control, and diagnostic suggestions that will make your head spin with joy. Oh, and did we mention it has a hybrid EV battery test function, ABS bleeding procedure, 5 system and actuator tests? And that's just the tip of the iceberg, my friends. Sure, you may need to break open that piggy bank to afford this bad boy, but if you find yourself tinkering under the hood more often than the average Joe, this investment will pay off. Forget about those cheap scanners that only offer basic features. The INNOVA 5610 is here to take your car diagnostic game to the next level. So, buckle up. Get ready to explore the wondrous world of automotive diagnostics, and let the INNOVA 5610 be your trusty sidekick. With its impressive range of features, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. It's time to unleash your inner car whisperer and conquer the road with confidence. Number 2. ANCEL BD310, our pick for best OBD2 scanner for DIY use. Forget about those complicated and pricey scanners, because the ANCEL BD310 is here to save the day. We've handpicked this bad boy as our choice for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. Trust us, you're gonna love it. What makes the BD310 stand out from the crowd? Well, its app interface is absolute perfection. It's so sleek and intuitive, you'll feel like a tech wizard as soon as you fire it up, and hold on, because here comes the best part. This baby has the perfect balance between corded and Bluetooth capabilities. By default, this little genius comes with a handy corded interface. But wait, there's more. You can also connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and unlock a world of additional data, diagnostic tools, and performance testing. We know what you're thinking. All those fancy features must come with a fancy price, right? Wrong, my friend! The BD310 offers all the bells and whistles of those high-end scanners without emptying your wallet. It connects in a flash and displays codes with the ease of a seasoned professional. So, wave goodbye to your old clunky scanner and say hello to the ANCEL BD310. It's the perfect companion for any DIY project and will have your car running like a dream in no time. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. INNOVA 6100P, our pick for best OBD2 scanner overall. Prepare to feel like a total boss in the garage with the INNOVA 6100P OBD2 scanner. Even if you've never tinkered under the hood before, this bad boy will have you feeling like a master technician in no time. And let me tell you, we felt like absolute rock stars while testing out this crossover gadget. Not only does the INNOVA 6100P offer an impressive array of diagnostic and predictive features, but it can also connect to the INNOVA app for even more nifty tricks. Plus, it's a handheld device, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Talk about convenience. Now, let's talk about the price. At just $140, the INNOVA 6100P is a steal. Seriously, it's got everything you could possibly ask for in an OBD2 scanner. The 2.8-inch color screen displays fault codes, live data, and even does an IM readiness check before inspection. But here's where things get really cool. This bad boy can actually predict potential component failure dates. Yeah, you heard that right. It's like a car psychic, telling you exactly when things might go south. So, if you're ready to take your mechanic skills to the next level, the INNOVA 6100P is the ticket. Get ready to feel like a total pro in your garage or driveway. Hey, we don't judge. Your car will thank you. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best OBD2 scanners. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.